On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix skip my eyes only problem on Snapchat. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps. Now wait a few seconds, and after that you will see all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. When you click on Snapchat, it will take you to the app informations page. Click here on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that all these options are enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete, and then click on clear cache, and then go to the data usage and disable the roaming data and the background data and enable only the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Don't forget to like, subscribe.